Doritos. Ang laki naman ng charge. Ang laki naman ng sahod mo. Didn't see, but I'm here now. Live in front of you. Ingi ko number mo. Hindi ko pwede isigaw ditong number ko, guys. Do you have any moderators to help your channel? No, I will make you my moderator. So, you will kick the bad comments. Okay? Better. You joined also to my membership. I know you have. It's a very affordable my membership nowadays. Why you not come live often? Because I come live, but you're not here. That's why you don't see me. I came live last June 25. My channel is back monetized, so it started on June 25 till now. Sometimes I go live at night because maybe I'm busy, I'm tired, so I sleep early. That's it. Hello guys. I don't have any viewers tonight. Only Jamie. Ramis, I had twice selfies. Do you have? I have them my Instagram on my profile. Now 1 month. Oo ba? So, maging mayaman ka, millionaire ka na pag 1 year ka dyan. Ang laki naman ang sahod mo. Petra, thank you. Petra, I invite you to join my membership. Why don't you join my membership? I think it's about $5 only. When you join, Kian with app. Do you know? No, I don't know Hindi. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Wala pa kay member. Hello, beautiful. How are you? I'm fine. I will. Don't worry. Okay, Peter. You can join my membership. Dako lagi po. Paano yung asawa mo? Magbalay po kasi mga asawa. Ako, simple lang yung balay. At least matulugan lang. Sana all malaki ang sahod. Kaya nga, nag-interview ka pa. Oh my God. Bakit mo sinasabi dito yung sahod mo para maano mo ako? Ano ba yun? Kasi asawa ko. Philippines. So, I'm 2 minutes more before I end live, guys. Because I said that I would 30 minutes was I extend the time of live. My FB ko is Nami Hamarulin. I moderate for 2 other channels. Okay. Hello to my 252 viewers. Hi. Hello haters. Marami pa tayong view. It's 11. Sa Qatar mga kasambay dito, 45K. Ayoko. Bahala na. Ayoko maging ano. Tatakot ako, re-raping pa ako dyan. Ito na lang ako kahit maliit ang kita ko. Kasama ko pa yung anak ko. Yun naman, puro pera lang, di ba? Paano yung kapalit? I have 14-year-old son. He moved with me to Philippines. Okay. My son is 6 years old. He's in grade 1. Pag-upload loves. Baka ma-demonetize din ako. Mag-upload ako doon. Busy palagi ko. School ako anak. Ignore my message. No, I read your message, Ahmed. That I make a shout out. Single pa ba, mom? Nakita mo dyan, single mom. I'm a single